Steps involved in hiring any HVAC expert. Everyone loves to live with comfort and ease, hence people are seen installing various HVAC system which gives them perfect enjoyment and ease at their home. This comes with installing competent HVAC and plumbing system via firms like Witness Plumbing Expert, who are known to give people a year-round indoor comfort life for ages. There are tons of reasons and benefits which compel homeowners to purchase any HVAC system having loads of features. However, to enjoy all these factors, you need to follow a couple of steps as discussed below. This will help you getting the best HVAC expert to enjoy incredible life. Let's look at these one by one. You need to hire any contractor with proper care. Generally, the installing contractor is the manufacturer of your HVAC system. However, at times, these works are outsourced to some third party to carry out these things for the customers. So regardless of the way they come, make sure you select the contractor with proper care and ideas. You need to check skill sets, experience and exposure of the contractor coming for your HVAC system installation or maintenance work. He should always rely on quality components and assemble things in an engineered system which gives and promises all comfort. For this you need to check a couple of things: the reputation of the contractor. Know is this group is a HVAC and plumbing expert in the market, known to deliver things with commitment and care. In other words, it should provide a quality service. Check for reference. Before you hire anyone for your HVAC installation and repair work, you need to ask the company to provide you a couple of clients he or she has served in the past. Any competent or professional group will never hesitate to render you such list. Once you get this list, call the clients and talk about their performance and service. Ask them about the effectiveness of the system and quality of service which was given to them during and after the installation. Quality comes with cost. If you are serious enough to get quality, you need to invest, which can be a significant amount. This will help you to get high quality results along with a number of benefits from your HVAC system installed at home. Hence, always avoid availing for any discount, as these things may hamper the quality of service you get from the contractors. Hence the phrase, "You get what you pay for," comes out to be true at this juncture. Always be clear in your requirements. You should always be clear in your requirements. For this, you need to specify what you desire in terms of convenience and comfort performance when you need to buy the systems. Though you may not be a heating or air conditioning engineer, so you may not be knowing things about the correct and precise installation, but still as a consumer you need to be clear in your requirements of comfort performance. There are still ways which can help you to buy things with proper knowing about the HVAC expert system you desire. Always specify your comfort performance which you may want to deliver your system. Your contractor should be able to work according to these requirements so that all your comfort performance need is met. Article source: https://ezinearticles.com/expert/alex_mont/1314440